there, my lovelies, this is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I brought to you guys something that you love. Every time I make something similar you love, which is a gluten-free pie or a cake, a savory cake, using simple vegetables, but amazing because we're going to use a combination of flours that is going to get our, leave our cake or savory cake or pie super fluffy and delicious, okay? So let me show you how I put it together. First, we're going to start by sauté some spinach or kale, or both, why not? The important thing is that they release all the water, okay? And when they're done, you reserve. And now we're going to make the batter. We're going to start by adding unsweetened plant-based milk to a blender, some olive oil, oatmeal flour, chickpea flour, some cornstarch, some turmeric for some color so it doesn't get that pale white, salt and black pepper, and we blend it briefly. And now you add some baking powder and blend it briefly. Now the combination of those three flours are important because one is going to give structure, the other is going to give a little bit of water as well, and the other flour is going to give elasticity. So the combination of those three will make a complete flour for making a gluten-free bread or a cake, okay? So this is my go-to combination because if you sometimes only use rice flour or chickpea flour, then something is missing. The elasticity is missing, the water retaining is missing, you know, so the best thing is to combine the three of them. Now we're going to grease a baking dish and we're going to add half the batter. And then the sautéed kale or spinach, the remainder of the batter, and on top whatever vegetables you have. In this case I have tomatoes, so tomatoes it is. And I always had some onions laying around on my fridge, so I'm gonna put them on as well, and some dried oregano or any other herb of your choice. And now we're going to add it to a preheated oven, 180 degrees Celsius, that will be 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 35 to 40 minutes, but keep an eye on it, okay? If it gets too brown too soon, you can add an aluminum foil on top and then remove it when it's about 10 minutes before you turn off your oven. So how about that? I don't need to tell you that it went out like that because it was delicious. It is so good, and it's again that versatile, easy recipe, fridge foraging kind of recipe that you grab whatever you have left. You know I love those. I hate waste. So you can mix and match. The only thing I would advise you to be careful with is to add mushrooms to the batter and tomatoes. If you add tomatoes, do like I did on top, because tomatoes, they release a lot of water and it might compromise the structure of your pie. So other than that, just enjoy, add carrots, add peas, add corn, whatever, okay? And let me know in the comments below what's your preferred vegetables, all right? So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. This is one of my favorites. I love it very much. And head over to my website for the written recipe, measurements and everything, and the printable recipe, like I said. And also subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye.